Friends, you have been sent solved examples and exercise from the Maharashtra State Board book. Those sums are important. Do not think of them as Maharashtra State Board book sums, etc. because basically they even have to follow NCERT pattern and then taken important sums from the past NCERT exams. Hence I request you to go through those sums. But now I am starting with your textbook, your exercise 8.1. Okay, so your textbook and exercise 8.1. Okay, we will go through it, each and every sum. Sum number 1 in exercise 8.1. First sum, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. Find, determine, that is find out. First, sin A, cos A, and second, to find sin C, cos C. Again, just to remind you, please go through the basic ratios. So katoa, sine is opposite side of that angle divided by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent side of that angle divided by hypotenuse. Tan of that angle is opposite side of that angle divided by adjacent side of that angle. And inverse of these, 1 upon sine is cosec, 1 upon cos is sec, and 1 upon tan is cot. Please learn these ratios. I will use them right now. And secondly, we will be using Pythagoras theorem, which states that sum of the squares of two sides of a triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Okay, so we are going to use these two formulas. Let us see the details. First, we will draw the triangle. We will label it. Right angle is at B. Please read carefully. Do not draw what you like. AB is 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. I do not have the third side. First, find the third side. So, in right angle triangle ABC, AC square is AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras already done in the 8th and 9th standard. I am reminding you. So AC square is 24 square plus 7 square. Substituting the values. AC square is equal to, you will see when you do the squares, I request you to learn the square, start learning the squares of the numbers. Every day start with 10 numbers. Reach as much as you can so that it is easier for us to solve. Otherwise, 24 multiplied by 24, you spend 10 minutes, something may go wrong, at least time will go, marks won't increase. Please learn square and square root. Of course, square root will take longer time, squares are easier. So, every day learn 10 squares, learn 5 square roots. But do learn. So, we are not going to waste time by 24, multiply by 24, 7, we are not going to do like this now because we are teaching and you have already reached the 10th standard. So, when we look at this, we get 625. Okay? And AC is square root of 625. That is 25. So, what AC is? 25 centimeter. This is what I have found. They are not given. Now all ratios will become easy. First, I have to find sin A. Sine of an angle is opposite side upon hypotenuse of A. Opposite side of A is 7, hypotenuse is 25. Answer 1. We are going to write answers again. Okay. Number 2, in this A, B. Cos A. Cos is adjacent side of A divided by hypotenuse. So का So adjacent side is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Answer number 2. These I am marking for you so that you are copying down. We are not writing answers in the exam here. We will write answers separately. Then I have to move here. 2. Sine of C. Now I must look from this side. Opposite is this, adjacent is this. Look like this. Opposite, adjacent. Sine C is opposite side of C. Now of C upon hypotenuse. Okay. Opposite of C is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. This is my answer 3, which I will be writing down. And B again, cos C is equal to adjacent upon adjacent side of C and hypotenuse. Adjacent is 7 and hypotenuse is 25. Answer 4. This is what they want. So I write it now. Answer. Okay, do not write this. This is to remember. I have to transfer. Answer. First, sine A is equal to 7 upon 25. Cos A is equal to 24 upon 25. Second, I need sine C is equal to 24 upon 25 and cos C is equal to 7 upon 25. Please write the answer separately in the exam. Don't hurry up. This is how we have to solve the sum. We will see the sum once again. In triangle ABC, right angle at D, AB is 24, BC is 7, and I have to find sine of A, cos of A, sine of C, cos of C. Remember, A and C are not same. These are separate angles. So first, I need 3 sides. Trigonometry is the ratio of the 3 sides of a triangle. Third side, we have to find the Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem, if I use, I get the third side as 25. Now I have all the 3 sides. I will start. Sine is opposite side of A upon hypotenuse. I will substitute. Cos A is adjacent side of A upon hypotenuse. I will substitute. I will go to C. Opposites and adjacent change because the angle has changed. So sine C, opposite side of C. Don't look at A. Look from C. And hypotenuse, I will substitute the values. Cos C, adjacent of C upon hypotenuse, I will substitute the value. I will write the answer as they have asked so that he can correct and give me full marks. So this sum comes for 2 marks. So this is how we have to work and study, practice, not difficult. Till now, not difficult is not yet begun. Basic, they have asked you. So katoa. Okay, so we will go to the second sum. Okay? Okay. Watch it 2-3 times. Get fluent. Keep it aside. Take a notebook. Try to solve on your own. If you have any difficulties, please practice before. Otherwise, everything is difficult. That would not be possible. So please practice. Do not watch it like a movie. Please solve on your own. In given figure, find tan T minus cot R. And the figure has been given to us. So we will use that figure. QRP and 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Okay, this is what is given to us in the diagram. We are supposed to find tan P minus cot R. Again, step number 1, we will use Pythagoras theorem because I don't have a third side. So, in right angle triangle PQR, PQ square plus QR square is PR square by Pythagoras theorem. Do not write short form in the exam. PQ square is 12 square. QR square I don't know. PR square is 13 square. Therefore, QR square is 13 square minus 12 square, taking 12 on the other side. I need to find QR, what is known on one side, what is unknown on the another side. Okay, now A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. That is 1 and this is 25. So QR square is 25, QR is 5. Square root of 25 is 5. So this is how I find QR. Okay, so I have 12, now I have this also. I have found out. So this is, I will write like this, it was not given to me. Now we will start. Tan P. So I am to find tan P first. Tan, do not write everything. First find the ratios. Tan of P. So this is my angle of interest. Tan is opposite side of P divided by adjacent side of P. Opposite of P is QR. Adjacent is PQ. QR is 5, PQ is 12. So this is how, this is my first raw material ready, or my first term which is ready, which I will substitute. I need chord R. Now I am here. See, the angle has changed, sides will change. Now tan is opposite of adjacent, chord is inverse of tan. So I have adjacent side of R. Now don't forget, this was of P. Don't forget, upon opposite side of R. Don't look at P when R is asked. Adjacent side of R is RQ or QR. Opposite side of R is PQ. Okay, hypotenuse does not change. QR is 5, opposite is 12. This is my raw material too. Now, hence, tan P minus chord R, I will substitute the value from here, is 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12 is 0. Therefore, tan P minus chord R is 0. And I will write this answer. Please write answer separately so that it can be corrected and marks can be given suitably. This is how to solve the sum. Okay, we are to find, diagram is given, two sides are given, and we have to find this tan P minus chord R. First, we find the third side. We got it 5. Then we take tan P. Then we take chord R. Then we take this and substitute. We find both are equal. Answer is 0. We write the answer as 0 and we complete the sum. Please go to it 2 times, 3 times. Get familiar, flow with the sum. Do not memorize the sum. Okay, numbers change in the exam. And language may also change a bit. So this was sum number 2. The third sum in the book is if sine A is equal to 3 upon 4, calculate cos A and tan A. I have sine A. I am supposed to find cos A tan A. Now remember, this is a ratio. This is not a value. We are not doing 4 divided by 3. Okay, so 0.30. 4 7s are 28. 2. Do not try like this. Okay? So, we will be careful. Do not do actual divisions in trigonometry unless you are desperate. We will see that this sine A is a ratio. It's not 3. It may be 3 times and 4 times of something. So, if I take any numbers 3 upon 4 and I take another number 3 multiplied by 3 and 4 multiplied by 3, that is 9 upon 12, answer does not change. So it is not that this is also same, this is also same. So these are not values, this is a ratio. So it is some common multiple of k. We must find what is that multiple. We don't find because this is not algebra, this is trigonometry. K will cancel itself. You don't have to find the value of k. So do not write, oh, one side is 3, one side is 4. These are not values. 3/4 is a ratio. Okay, I remind you. So sine A is, so when we draw the triangle, in this case, we will draw a triangle A, B, C, and sine A is opposite side of A upon hypotenuse. Now this is 3k and that is 4k. Opposite of A is 3k. Hypotenuse is 4k. I don't have the third side. By in right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is AC square by Pythagoras theorem. My first step always is to see that I have all the three sides of the triangle. Otherwise we cannot proceed. So AB square we don't know. BC square I know. AC square I know. So AB square is 4k square minus 3k square. Taking it on the other side. 4k square is 16k square. 3k square is 9k square. Squaring each term. Now you can see that we can minus, we can subtract, and we can go further. Okay? So in this case, as you can see, that we can move forwards. You can also use a minus b into a plus b method also, which will not be difficult. Answer will still remain same. Now, as you can see here, I will get 7k square. Now this is square. I don't need square, I need a square root. K square root will square and square root cancel. 7 I cannot cancel. I have to leave that root 7. That cannot be solved at this stage. So this is now root 7 times k. I have found out. They have not given me. 3 sides are ready. Now calculate cos A. First to find cos A. Cos A is adjacent side of A divided by hypotenuse. A adjacent is root 7k and hypotenuse is 4k. K cancel, answer root 7 by 4. No need to solve root 7. I'm supposed to find tan A. To find tan A, tan A is opposite side of A upon adjacent side of that angle A. Opposite to A is 3k. Adjacent to it is root 7k. K cancel and I have 3 upon root 7. I have write the answer. Answer. Cos A is equal to root 7 upon 4 and tan A is equal to 3 upon root 7. Square box, answer. This is what is expected from you. We will go through it once again. Sine is given. We have to find cos and tan of that same angle. Sine is 3 upon 4. For your understanding, this is some common multiple of k. K may be any number. Okay, but it's not 3 centimeter. They have not given it like that. Okay, so we cannot assume. So if I divide, I will get 3 divided by 4 as the minimum ratio. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Draw a triangle. Place the sides. Use Pythagoras. Find the third side. Now cos is, as you can see, adjacent upon hypotenuse. Substitute the values. K will cancel. Only number will remain. Tan A is opposite upon adjacent. Substitute the values. K will cancel. Only the numbers will remain. Write the answer down separately. And this is how you will solve the sum for 2 marks. We will go to sum number 3.